Feels so nice outside right now. It's been raining, the wind blowing. Good time to reflect, you know. You get the moments where you sit there and think about your next move, your last move, what you need to do. It's good to take those moments out of your life where you can actually sit back and just get your stuff together. Breathe in, breathe out, refocus. It's gonna be okay. Sometimes you just gotta go back to the drawing board in life, is what it is. But it's gonna be okay. Just remember that. You got this. Hog on.